In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect your Alpha Capital account to Metatrader 5. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to alphacapitalgroup.uk. From here, it should look something like this. And here you'll need to either click Start Alpha Evaluation or take your free trial if you want to create an account. From here, you'll go inside of the dashboard, and up here inside the dashboard you'll see all of your already existing and non-existing accounts. From here you'll need to click on one account to get your credentials, and from here you'll need to write down your username credential, your password credential, and which server it is. From here you'll need to open up Metatrader 5. If you don't already have installed Metatrader 5, you can install it inside of your App Store or Google Play Store, or if you're on PC you'll also be able to go up to metatrader5.com and download it from here. From here, it should look something like this. And here we'll need to connect our Alpha Capital account to Metatrader 5. And to do that, you need to go up to File and then click Open an Account down here. From here, you'll need to go up to the search bar and click in Alpha Capital, like so, and then click Find Your Company. Once you've done that, it should look something like this. And here you'll need to click Connect with an existing trading account. And here you'll need to add in your login detail, your password, and the server that you want to choose. You'll need to be aware that it's going to ask you if you want to add on the demo and the real server. If you have chosen a demo account or created a demo account with Alpha Capital, you'll need to choose demo. But if you have an actual evaluation account, you'll need to click the real one down here and click finish. Then from here, you have successfully logged in to Metatrader 5 with your Alpha Capital account. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!